Hello from Latvia. I'm very honored to participate in art festival in Azerbaijan, despite the distance that separates Latvia and Azerbaijan. And I prepared some presentations about our art and also very surprising similarities in Latvian, in Baltic, and also in Caspian region art, ethnic art, because there are a lot of elements, a lot of principles of composition, also color scale, and some kind of inner feeling which is, I think, very common to artifacts from Latvia, from Azerbaijan, Turkey, and Iran. I am not scientist and I'm not historian. I am just textile artist and teacher, and very interested in ethnic art and especially textile artifacts. And that's what I want to share with you, my latest these acquisitions and discoveries. Several years ago, I also had possibility to visit Azerbaijan and to curate Latvian applied art exhibition in Baku Academy of Art. And I still remember this very warm and friendly atmosphere there, very interesting discussions with your professors, artists and students. I also prepared another presentation and want to show you works of my students. I wish you very interesting, inspiring and very creative art festival, and I hope that the cultural ties between our countries will become ever closer. Thank you very much and good luck.